Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, Creative Queen X. My name is Jiya and welcome back. So today I'm doing this beautiful makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, make sure to keep watching until the end to get this look. Okay, so for the beginning, I'm gonna start with my eyes. So first of all, I'm gonna take some foundation, start with one eye and followed by the other one. Just apply some foundation on both the eyes, and you can use a brush or your fingers, whatever you're comfortable doing with. I usually use my fingers or brush. I actually use both. So yeah, whatever you feel like. And just dab it on both the eyes, even it out nicely, smoothly, and just keep checking in the mirror for any creases or anything like that. And now we're gonna be following it with some beige or white color eyeshadow, and then just dab it with your fingers on it just to even out. So I am now going to be using a gold shade eyeshadow, and you can also use some glitter ones or a matte colored one. It's entirely up to you. And you can also use your fingers or a brush, whatever you like. As I said before, I like to use both. So yeah, whichever suits you the best. So just dab it nicely on both your eyes, even it out nicely. And if you want to do a few coats of it, you can keep doing it until you have the desired tone. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So now moving on to the next part, I'm gonna be using a maroon color eyeshadow. So from both eyes, moving from outwards towards inwards, blend it nicely without any creases or any harsh lines, and use a blending brush if possible for a beautiful outcome. Now use a black colored eyeshadow. Use a very little amount of it, moving again from the outer corners towards the inner corners, gently and smoothly, softening all the edges. I am now gonna apply some kajal to both my eyes. I really love kajal because it just gives you a beautiful look. Just make sure you apply it above the eye and at the bottom, so yeah, to cover the entire eye. So I'm now gonna apply some kajal on top of my eyes as well, and you can also even it out with a brush. So I am now gonna apply some mascara, and I really love mascara because it just makes your eyes a little bit bigger and brighter. And also you can also use fake eyelashes if you want. I usually have really long eyelashes, so I never actually use fake eyelashes, to be honest. So yeah, but you can do so. So moving on to the next part, I'm gonna be shaping my eyebrows. For that, I've got this really nice eyebrow kit. You can use any brand really, whichever you like. I've just got a local drugstore brand, which is not really a big brand, but it still does the job, you know, it is fine. So yeah, make sure to evenly do your eyebrows, both same size and length. And if you want a darker shade, you can also use the black color, but I'm fine with the dark brown. It's fine for me. You can also use an eyebrow gel to keep all the eyebrows in place. Now I'm gonna be um, uh, adding a little bit of foundation to my eyebrows, just under the eyebrows, and a little bit also above the eyebrows. I always use this because this actually gives the eyebrows a really nice highlight, and it just pops out basically, and they just look even, and you can correct any flaws, any mistakes you've made during if you've done them with a pencil. Or yeah, basically this actually is a really really good method to pop up all your eyebrows, because it really gives a beautiful shape to the eyebrows. Yeah. And moving on to the next part, I'm now gonna be applying some foundation all over my face, and just even out everything nicely, smooth out any bumps, any lumps. Also apply it underneath your eyes, and of course don't forget your cheeks, your neck part. Just go all over it nicely. And also, if you've got a powder, you can apply a little bit of powder on top of it as well, just to even out any sweat or anything. Yeah, then that's it pretty much. So now moving on to the lip part, you can apply a little bit of foundation on your lips to make sure that the lip, whatever lip shade you apply on top of it, it just evens it out nicely, and that the lip shade sticks on nicely to your lips and it pops out. So yeah, lips are a really important part of your face as well in order to shape the face. So make sure you do the lips always nicely and beautifully. This method will also ensure that your lip shade stays in place the entire day. And yeah, even when you will drink or eat something, it should definitely stay in place. Now moving on to the cheekbones, you can apply a lip shade or a blusher, whatever you like. I usually apply, occasionally I apply some lip shade, which is like a brown color, and no one's even gonna know that you've applied that to your cheeks. That it pretty much does the job for me, so why not? So that's actually another beauty hack actually. Yeah, I think it looks really good. Just even it out nicely. Do not leave any harsh edges, because if you have any edges, it looks really really not nice. And make sure you just even the skin just nice and smoothly. So that was pretty much it for today's tutorial. So this was my look. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I love creating videos for you guys. And if you do enjoy this video, please give me a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. I love you all so much. A big hug to all of you, and take care of yourself, and don't forget to subscribe, and bye.